Well, welcome back to a special Navigate the Plate. My name is Nate. Colleen is behind the camera tonight, and we are taking you back to Eden. We did a whole episode on this on the Apex. We did lunch, breakfast, and dinner, but tonight we're going to focus just on Eden. Again, we're here on Celebrity Beyond, and again, we're going to see if Celebrity Beyond Eden is different than the other Eden experiences we've been to. So keep it right there, and we're going to show you everything there is to know about having dinner here at Eden aboard Celebrity Beyond. So do you have a wine you're going with tonight?
Well, good evening, navigators. We have returned to Eden for a fantastic dinner because it's one of our favorites when we sail on Celebrity. So yes, tonight I think I'm going to start off the evening with a little Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand. I think, what are you up to, Nate, for your cocktail for the evening?
And I am going to do the Fig, which is a bourbon-based drink. And the sommelier knows me. She came over and she said, "Do you want me to leave that wine list for you?" And I said, "Yeah, I think that would be a good idea for tonight."
All right, so we are starting our meal with the amuse-bouche, if I pronounce that correctly, which is a little tuna tataki with a soy base and a wasabi topping. So it looks like a perfect size bite selected by our chef. I'd like to eat 10 of those. It's fantastic. Just perfect light start to the entree tonight. Very excited.
All right, so first reaction, we just got our entrees, our appetizers. I went with the gnocchi. Colleen went with the crab cake, and then we're gonna split the ceviche. And again, just a pro tip, if you're on a cruise, if you want a second appetizer to split, make sure you just do it. Some cruise lines now charge a supplement, and they'll tell you ahead of time, but just go ahead and ask. 99% of the time, no extra charge.
All right, navigators, so we are trying a Maryland blue crab lump crab cake. Pan-seared, not fried, and this looks amazing. Pure crab, very, very little filling, so delicious.
All right, I want to try this gnocchi right now. There we go. So good, amazingly good, so tasty. The cheese, just a very light cheese sauce, very delicious. And then we're gonna try the ceviche, but I'm sure it's gonna be delicious as well. All right, so I'm gonna dig into this ceviche now. I think I had this last time. Colleen, did I have this last time?
You did, actually, but this time I sneakily wanted to try a little bit myself.
That is like next level ceviche. It's so good, even if you're kind of not sure about ceviche, because again, they take the raw fish, they put a lot of acid into it. That's what actually cooks the fish. It's light, it's refreshing, it's flavorful, and here at Eden, it's done really, really well. What do you think of the ceviche there, Colleen?
Very fresh. A little hint of mango, a little hint of cilantro. Nothing overpowering, but you can still taste like the fish. I would say, like, if you enjoy fish, this is a perfect appetizer to try before your dinner. All right, so the main entree has arrived, and I went with a lobster. It's a poached lobster on leeks, and I want to say there's duck fat potatoes. It just looks amazing. And that's one of the things when you come to Eden, is just be open-minded, try different foods, because it's out of this world no matter what you pick.
Wait, you're from New England. How is lobster a different food?
Good point, Nate, but you know what? It could be prepared differently. It's like, it's not a traditional lobster roll. It's different. So just try something when you're in Eden that's a little out of your comfort zone. You won't be disappointed. Amazing.
And as I mentioned before, I have the lamb with a lovely sauce, something on the side. Unlike Colleen, I'm not paying attention to very much, so I'm just gonna try this right now. Really, really good. Very flavorful, very well seasoned, delicious lamb. And again, like Colleen was saying, something, I love lamb, but not something I'm gonna make on like a Tuesday night during the middle of the work week. So again, if you come here to Eden, try something that you wouldn't normally make yourself. You won't be disappointed.
Navigators. So we are finishing our evening off with an amazing dessert. So I ordered the butterscotch carrot creme brulee. I'll be honest, I'm not much of a creme brulee individual.
Wait. I couldn't order it. You wanted to order it?
But I love butterscotch, so I couldn't resist. It looks amazing. Again, presentation is just beautiful. So let's dig in. I'm glad I got this one, Nate. Sorry.
And I went with the strawberry delight because we have to try two different things for you, the viewers here. And Colleen wanted the butterscotch, so I'm going to try this right now. But it looks really good. The presentation is amazing. So let's give it a shot here. Really good, like a very, very fancy strawberry shortcake. But highly recommend it. So again, a great meal here tonight at Eden. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Again, we always like to remind you to navigate your world.